If you are looking for the best window air conditioner, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Frigidaire FHW Weighty 3W Bone Air Conditioner. If our main pick is sold out, grab the Frigidaire FHW Weighty 3W Bone. It has about the same noise level as the LG, but with a less pleasant mechanical growl that's more pronounced when you try to run it at lower settings. Otherwise, it's an equally capable performer that's usually around the same price, with comparable smart home features. The Frigidaire is also a little easier to install because it's smaller and lighter. This Alexa-compatible unit is a slight update to our previous runner-up pick, the Frigidaire EFEFREAT 3ZA1, which lacks Wi-Fi connectivity but is otherwise nearly identical. Number 2. Midea U Inverter Window Air Conditioner. If you want the quietest air conditioner available or you just don't want to lose the ability to open a window, the Midea MA Weight Von QWT is a great new option. This U-shaped AC comes with its own bracket, and it locks firmly into the sliding tracks of your hung window, so you can continue using your window as normal. It also moves most of the louder hardware to the back of the unit so it sits outside the window, with glass serving as an additional buffer layer to help mute the sound. The result is the quietest air conditioner we've ever tested. Number 3. Haier EEESSAQ 400 Sixth Window Air Conditioner. This Haier has the reputation of being one of the quietest window air conditioners on the market, and when a family member who's a notoriously light sleeper decided to purchase an air conditioner recently, this is the one he selected. He was so thrilled with it, he called us up to rave about it. As far as he's concerned, of the many air conditioners he's owned over the years, the EEESSAQ 406 is the quietest. Among its noise-canceling features is an internal compressor blanket that dampens vibration and noise. Number 4. LG L-Weight 1016er Window-Mounted Air Conditioner. Designed to quickly cool large spaces, this high-performance, 8000 BTU LG window air conditioner is ideal for rooms up to 17 x 20 feet. Some of its many features include energy saver mode, a 24-hour on-off timer, a full-function remote control, 3 cooling, and 3 fan speeds, and an auto reset that turns the unit back on once power is restored after electricity is interrupted by an outage. And when indoor air humidity is high, this air conditioner has a powerful dehumidifying ability. It can remove up to 2.2 pints of moisture per hour. Number 5. Amana Window Mounted Air Conditioner. This Amana's cooling capacity is about as big as it gets in window air conditioners, both in terms of the area it will handle and in terms of its current draw. So if you need heavy-duty cooling and you have a 15-amp circuit that isn't drawing a lot of loads, the Amana is a good choice. In other respects, it's got all the bells and whistles that you would expect from a fully featured window appliance: a sleep mode, a remote, 3 fan speeds, and a dehumidification mode that will remove 3.5 pints of moisture vapor from the air per hour. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.